accepts me a deadbeat father. Are you willing now? Are you willing now to make this deadbeat be in kids them heartbeat like when used to be?
Viewers and subscribers, Spice baby father respond to the whole deadbeat allegations were going on social media, and the man style her neatly, but guess what? Spice respond to everything we him say, and Spice clot him up, cause we know say Spice mouth not have no filter, so we no don't want to miss with Spice officer, because me I tell you, she really shame the man. Also, Buju Banton shell down Summer Jam despite the gay rights advocate them over there, and Shenseea was involved in a fight with her ex-best friend over some money issues, so me have that to me want to talk about as well. We're gonna kick it off with, despite gay rights protests, Buju Banton rock Summer Jam 2019. Buju Banton performed two well-received sets at Summer Jam in Cologne, Germany and Amsterdam despite threats of disruption from the gay rights activists. The Gargamel Buju Banton seems very happy to have touched down in Germany last weekend for his long-awaited performance at the 2019 Summer Jam Festival. Of course, the artist scored big time among the fans at the event, which is held annually at the Foligner in the city of Cologne, and also wrote glowingly about it. Germany, we finally reunite after 10 long years. It was pleasure to dance and sing along with you. The artist captioned the photo slideshow of himself in action in the Western European country. His German fans were happy to see him too, but they were not the only ones, as many left from other countries to see the Stamina Daddy in action at the 3-day event, which is one of the largest reggae, dancehall and hip-hop festival in Europe. My family and I traveled from London to see you last night. Till Shiloh album hold a special place in our heart, and you helped us create more memories. Finally seeing you live. Thank you so much for your music, your message and your love. Truly an amazing show. Stay blessed, Divanair said in her congratulatory post. Another fan wrote, I did not know you're such a teaser. At Buju Banton, Cologne was simply amazing. You kept giving more and more and so much more. I love everything about your performance. Blessings. Buju earlier show in Amsterdam in the Netherlands was also the talk of the town. The pleasure was ours as usual. You didn't forget the ladies. I traveled from England to Amsterdam and stood over 10 hours at Buju Banton. It wasn't like where have you been, it was more like it's still yours. The world thank you. The artist rubbed shoulders with a lineup of some of Jamaica's hottest reggae and dancehall stars, including Coffee, Agent Sasco and Popcorn. His upcoming gigs including Festival Night, 2 of Reggae Sunfest in Montego Bay, where he headlines a star-studded lineup featuring Beres Hammond, Etana, Romain Virgo, Janine, Protege, Christopher Martin and Dalton Harris. Buju is also booked to perform on August the 2nd at the Reggae Sun Ska Festival at Nouvelle Aquitaine in France. Will resume his Long Walk to Freedom concert series in Geel, Belgium August the 3rd, and will perform on August the 10th in the Eastern Caribbean island of Antigua. Alright viewers and subscribers, so we never expect nothing less from Buju Banton. We know same did a shell down Summer Jam, but imagine them people, the whole gay activist people did really a plan for disrupt the man show. You tell me say I saw them really hate Buju Banton, that them all a plan pan him. That's why them say wild man a plan God a wa. Alright, so that's why the show was a success, because them over there plot evil and Buju Banton just use the good and overcome all of that. Now viewers and subscribers, we're gonna think about what them did really a try to do. Imagine you go there for enjoy your good show and people over there plot for disrupt it. You know see people a say how much them spend 10 hours a stand up and a wait for Buju and this and that, and the people them excited. I feel like at time now the people them just let the past be the past and stop. You see me come up with certain things. It's like them want Buju for apologize everywhere him go. And I know say this I like the million time I talk about this, but it's like every story we put out is always the LGBT or the whole gay activists them I go off of Buju Buju Banton, so it's not even like me can avoid talking about it. Every country him go, somebody a try disrupt it, somebody a try, you know, it's like them want pull him out of character for him lose a whole heap of fans or something. I don't really know. But anyway, viewers and subscribers, as them say, Buju Banton go over there and him shell it down, him do him best. I never really expect nothing less from Buju Banton, because you don't know, say, when music in your blood certain way and it's something where you live, eat and breathe, you know, it can't come out of you, and obviously Buju Banton was made for this. So anyway, viewers and subscribers, just comment and make me know what you think about this event. Yes, all man saying, I don't know, say maybe next year Buju will go there because it's an annual event, so what does I hopefully if you see him on the lineup next year, which I mean, say why them wouldn't put him on it, because you know, say Buju Banton hot like fire, and right about now to how him a do things, it no look like him a slow down, and me can't blame him. The man have 10 years worth of making up for do. Even though to how good him a perform, it almost seems like he wasn't away, even though we know he was. Anyway, viewers and subscribers, leave in a comment and let me know what you think about this. So, moving on to Spice and the whole baby daddy drama now. So, Spice baby father did an interview with the Star. So, the article says, I am not the enemy. Father of Spice children dismisses deadbeat label. Nicholas Lal, the father of Spice's 2 children, is asking the question, what exactly makes a man a deadbeat dad? For the past 3 years, allegations of deadbeat have dodged the father of 4, but he told the Star that this accusation is only hurled at him by Spice, with whom he shares his 2 youngest, his only son and a daughter. The DJ recently went toe-to-toe with Instagram users who suggested better co-parenting between her and Lal. Amid her response was a claim that she had to seek counseling for her son because of damning screenshot Lal sent to the child. This was the straw that broke the camel's back, and now Lal is bearing his truth. It breaks my heart because nothing goes like that, Lal told the Star. I have received so many messages from people about this that I decided to speak up. I don't want him to be bullied when he goes to his new school September morning because of this. Lal surprised his son by turning up at his recent prep school graduation, a reunion 3 years in the making. It was very emotional. Me did have to stand up strong and do everything not to cry, he said. Lal said he was told about the graduation by his son, whom he had been in contact with as he owns a phone. I found out about the graduation the day before and went straight from the airport to the school. He didn't know I was coming. It was a surprise and it worked, he said, adding that he was especially glad to be there because his son's mother was absent. The mother of the year was not at her son's graduation, but his grandmother, his aunt, and his sister were there, he said. She went on social media and posting pictures of my son in a red suit. My son graduated in a blue gown. When my daughter saw me, she came over to me. The few days that I was in Jamaica, I took them to visit their cousins and other relatives, and they even spent a night with me. My love for my children comes from my heart, not from my pocket. Lal earned the wrath of his ex after posting the video of his attendance of the graduation, and she took to social media to blast him for his lack of financial support and accusation, Lal confirmed. When we broke up in 2016, I left the relationship with nothing, he stated. When we got together in 2006, I had my little business where I would buy crash cars, fix them up and sell them back. After a while, we made the decision to focus on Spice's career, and I spent 10 years doing that. I was her manager, her roadie, whatever. The only thing I didn't do was put makeup on her face. It was a joke among some in the business that if one of Spice dancers too sick, then I would have to go on stage and dance. He explained that he decided to invest in himself by attending college and try to assist his kids when he was back on his feet. I went overseas and enrolled in school, so there was really no money for me to send. He said when things started getting a little brighter, I tried to make contact if I was to even send 100 US, but there was no way to reach anybody because I was cut off. Nobody was speaking to me, numbers were changed and I had no contact. Lal said if he could speak directly to Spice, he would tell her, I am not the enemy, so stop treating me like one. The only thing I want is to see my youths without any animosity. Alright, viewers and subscribers, so we hear what the man said. The man speak up for him rights, and I mean, you know, say everybody have them character where them need for protect. So Spice, you have to just know say the man speak up for him youths them, because him feel like say yeah block him out of the whole situation. And I'm kind of glad say him speak up, because we know say Spice have the bigger voice, because obviously she's the known one, she's the popular one, so more people are gonna rock with she. But the man make it clear say, oh, him did a try to make contact with him youth them and Spice them change them number, them no want him to see the youth nor nothing like that. Now me no know if me buy everything where him say, but me kind of believe say maybe him did go overseas or for whatever reasons. Me no know if a school or whatever. Me say a some marriage thing. Me no see them say nothing about that in the star page, but for me I talk about it's just a rumor, so and a concrete evidence. But anyway, at least you know him come now and I try make good with him youths, and you know to me even if him never did it, let's just say he wasn't there, it's never too late for a show off rain, you know, so him can always make up for the time we him lost, because one are dead, no dash it way. Yes, what man say, and we see whole heap of fathers come out of them kids' life, and then, you know, eventually them come to them senses and come back. Me not try to defend him or say what him do is right, you know, but me just show you say, you know, sometimes we have to just learn to forgive people regardless of the past. But Spice obviously no want to hear that, because me I tell you, as me say, she go over there and she claw him. Now, me I go show you the comment where Spice I say, Spice go over under the star post on Instagram, and this is what she said. At Nicholas, since you're asking questions, answer these. Number 1, how was you my manager when you don't even know how to send an email to promoters? Good to see you went back to school. I force you to do so. You're welcome. 2, how was contact loss when I have my same Digicel number, even now for 10 years plus? We still live on the same address where you picked them up from the other day. Number 3, money is not all, but post a video now where you even helped with a homework or speak to the kids about school. Post it now. Number 4, $1.99 for a book in Walmart too. Stop it and admit it. Hashtag deadbeat. Number 5, you claim you left with nothing, but remember you came with nothing, but you used to buy and sell. Number 5, let's talk about this. Hashtag school bus. And she said, you fill in the blanks. Number 6, my money that you used to collect, dash. Why don't you fill in the blanks again for the people? Hashtag arsehole. Stop clout chasing and drawing my tongue, cause when I start talking, I'm always bitter and still wrong. So leave me alone. Last warning, cause I still got the screenshots. Oh, since you left, I bought over 20 phones just so those kids could communicate with you, and I didn't need to hide phones. I bought them, and all I would have to do is stop paying the internet bill so they wouldn't have WhatsApp. So I guess you're trying to find a little hype now, since the songs you wrote to sing for me didn't work out, huh? Kiss me teeth. So Spice put the man pan blast, and me I tell her say she'll send warning and threats and all them things. They say she still have the screenshot. That's why you see in life, you have to be careful where you send people. I tell you about WhatsApp and social media and them things there, you know. No matter how good you and a woman be, you have to be careful where you send, because you see things like these make me know say people are safe things, just you know, if you're a rainy day, just in case you and them fall out. You see me, even if them put it in a folder and say any day you diss me, I unleash this. So viewers and subscribers, I hope all of you know watch this right now, you learn from these things. But you see the warning where she give him, me da advise him to take it, and it also maybe she bluff as well. You know, you never can tell, but this just goes to show you say you have to be careful where you do. Now this whole thing with Spice and her baby father, it seems to get worse, and you know the man come out here and him spend time with him kids. You would have think say things would have get better certain way, and she would have, you know, maybe appreciate him coming into the youth them life back and so forth. But Spice just now bite, and you know the worst thing about it, him go do that interview here with the Star. You know, say Star are one of the biggest company them in a Jamaica, so most people are gonna read it online, people are gonna buy it, so this is something we are go out there. So Spice just basically come now and, you know, she try clear up fear part. Anyway, our next person say, Spice just a typical Jamaican baby mother, bringing down a baby daddy, and it's another one by DJ Khaled Vice. So we know how Jamaicans stay. When them talk about baby mother and them something, them usually look on them woman there as the woman them where I try get money from a man or I try bring down a person. So that's what them I try to say about Spice. But as me said, this is deeper than, you know, just bringing him down. It seemed like him really hurt Spice in the past. I don't know. She did even say him cheat on her and them something there. So all of them things they probably just add up, and you know she just a blast him now. Cause remember, you know, them have a saying where say hell hot no fury like a woman scorn. So you know how the saying they go. Anyway, our next person say the article didn't really paint him in a good light. Sounds to me like you migrated and turned your back on your kids, sir. Kudos to you for bettering yourself by getting an education, but the fact that you tried to make contact when things started to turn up for you suggests that there was no contact while you were down, and that is horrible. If you're on your face like you claim, doesn't mean you don't maintain contact and provide emotional support to your children. If in fact you did turn your back on them, then I understand Spice anger towards you. Happy you now want to step up and do what you should have been doing all along, but don't expect everyone, i.e. Spice, to laud you. Be consistent and present in your children's life, and I am sure she'll come around. And I have to agree with that person here. They make a very valid point as well. When he was down, seeing him never make certain effort, or to me it kind of look that way, the inner sense, even though him say numbers were changed and this and that, but the same way how him find a way if he interact with them now, him should have find that way. So it kind of look like say, you know, him did step out for a while. But as me say, there's more than one side to a story, so we have to just watch and see how this play out. Anyway, the next person say, me no know that boy yeah, but me believe him, you know, especially when him say the only thing I didn't do was put makeup on her face. You could see the genuine love and affection in the video when him go hug him son. I felt that the only other man that you they're supposed to see at home are acting. Remember that little something there with Spice, Hot Ras? Anyways, the youth seem genuine. Stop black the pitney them father Spice. Me know I saw you like it, but it not right. So that person you try mix up acting and some other little something, but me still understand the point where them a say, which is the good part right where him did hug him son and you can see the emotion upon him face, say him really miss him. And 3 years is a long time for not see a youth, you understand? Anyway, our next person say, but if you had your son's contact, then you could have figured a way to send the 100 US by any means here and there if you really wanted to then. And again, you were in contact with your kids. Since your son has a phone, obviously you couldn't see them, not because of Spice, but because you weren't able to, as you said. So what did Spice do exactly? So bottom line, it's how you go about it. And Spice even respond to this person and say, thank you for just simple having sense. So Spice also put the little heart emoji, which I show the person say, yeah, I love what you say and so forth, and thanking the person and all that. But when I say viewers and subscribers, this thing you look like say it not done yet, so, and Spice has sent warning. But what me have to say is, this guy here, as the man, I feel like say him for those try talk to Spice. You see me try diffuse the situation. Nobody go do no more interview. This is my personal message to him. Zine, sit with Spice, talk to her over WhatsApp, whatever it may be. Try to diffuse the situation, because the way how Spice did love you, Zine, me sure say she must have some little sympathy in her heart for you. So try to talk to her, work out things for the kids them, because you see on social media, all of them things away though, it can't erase, you know. Zine, once it go out there upon the net, you can't take it off no matter where though. So the kids them are gonna grow up and see them things. So what means feel like say you need to do is just diffuse this situation right now as it get worse. And you know say Spice is a very petty person and mind sharp. But I don't do this video here, screenshot a drop and all kind of something something and you see me bam, I come talk about that. So if I me like you, I just reason with her and you know reason for the kids them. Obviously you move on, Spice do her thing, only not half there. You see what I say, co-parenting, very important and the youth them love you and miss you. So only just need to work it out, even if you don't like each other, work it out for the kids them because kids them more important. You see what I say? And I mean it good when the kids have both parents in them life and not one.
I wouldn't try for disrespect. Never ever. Because me have respect for my youth them. So me wall enough things. And you come talk say you have things can post. Post anything you want post. Because remember, when me did there, me never in my right mind. So because you had me under a spell. I don't know what you did to me. But guess what? Father God set me free. You know what I mean? And you say Richie Feelings know everything. No, Grace. It's not Richie Feelings. RT, Nardo Smith, RT, your spiritual advisor, the one you make do all of the something them for you. All of the things them where me don't know about, where you're deep in. And them things that you have to talk about, man. Just go and big up yourself, Grace. Enough of that. You say me a deadbeat father. Alright, Grace, me a deadbeat father. Me accept say me a deadbeat father. Are you willing now? Are you willing now to make this dead accept say me a deadbeat father? Are you willing now? Are you willing now to make this deadbeat be in kids them heartbeat like we used to be? Because that is all me always want to be for my youth them. And you know that you know the truth. So what you are trying to say? Bash me all you want, come out with all your negative. But this is what I say. Post anything you want post. Because guess what? Me and you know so me never in my right mind. Because guess what? That tie something the way they do to me. Father God set me free. I pray enough in a grace. Rub out my knee up them. You see what I say? But if you always make the people them know say, I know God you get your blessing from. You know what I mean? Don't make me get deep. Have a good day.
Anyway, viewers and subscribers, what do you think about this? Spice baby father come on and speak out, so she did hide the kids them and the whole graduation thing where she put up, said the youth never graduating and that Spice put up fake picture and all them thing there. Even that way him say, kind of make it look away, you understand? Because obviously I this him a decide so she just put up her front for Instagram and so forth. So nevertheless, we know say Spice love her kids them, so even if she wasn't there, it's obvious that she, you know, she couldn't make it because me know she should have probably put on everything if she could for make it to our youth them graduation, but you was there as the father, which is a good move. Anyway, viewers and subscribers, what do you think? When you feel like say Spice need to calm down and work it out with the father, or you feel like this is the father's fault and he might get what him deserve, just leave in a comment and make me know. And also, when you feel like say Spice a bluff when she threatened to expose the screenshot them, or when you feel like say she really a go do it. As me say, me know how Spice petty and me know say she would do things like that. And woman love store things in them phone just in case a man violate. So I hope the man them learn from things like this and stop sending things to female, whether it be body parts, whether it be text, whether it be something, just if you're not talking to, and even over phone, as when did I go say talk it, the people will record your voice, because technology now can make a whole heap of people get caught and send a whole heap of people to prison. Alright, so now I want to talk about the Shenseea issue. So, by now, as I say, a lot of one are supposed to hear about the rumors with Shenseea and her ex-best friend catch up over some money. So, a little party keep what day. I remember what name, Dear Rave or something. Shenseea have up the party on her Instagram page, and there so was where the fight happened. So, I go kind of tell you know what go on, or what me hear say go on, and also Foota Hype, they talk about the whole fight issue as well. I'm going to play that video there so you can see it. So that person here say, she and her ex-best friend named Faith, she lent Faith $300,000 to start a business. She been calling her for the money and she now get it back. She block her and so forth. She see Faith at River and Floss and shot her a box, humble her, and you know, that is how the whole thing happened. So Shenseea buck up the girl, shot her a box, and here's what I say, I not see no video footage of the fight yet, but I know how Jamaican people stay. I know say somebody have that video, and I just wait for it, come out for showing it and so forth. Anyway, so Foota Hype did touch on it and give him take on it. So I'm going to play a little clip so you can hear what him have to say, so check it out.
So, Faith and Shensia are best friend. Allegations are that Faith and Shensia fuck long time. Allegations. I don't know how true it is, right? You have a next girl now where allegedly Shensia want too long and the girl, they are styling thing, but through the girl broke and need that money, the girl said, the girl tell Faith. This is how the thing going on the allegation, you know. The girl named Lexan. Yeah, she named Lexan. Yeah. So allegedly, Lexan, I tell Faith say, she don't really want Shensia, but through she need piece of money, she go just go and work with the thing and take piece of food off of Shenyang. Those are the allegations. We are cast the mash up here now. Okay? The message them in my DM. You know. You have a fake page, you just a screenshot the something them and send me. Like when them and the person discuss about the whole thing, them a screenshot it and send me. Yeah. So Lexan now get into Shensia thing. She and Shensia allegedly do them thing. And she now start Caribbean news for Faith. Remember, so she in it for a money thing, you know. She not in it for, so she really genuine to Shensia, like how Faith genuine to Shensia. She just in her spot where she need money and she broke. And she know say, Shenyang allegedly a try her for a long time. So she just say, I go give in and go and take piece of food off of the Shenyang boss. Those are the allegations. So, it's like Faith left from being the best friend to becoming the biggest enemy. Because Lexan or what she want him, a poison Shenyang mind now against Faith. Wonder if you don't catch a drift. A Faith make Shenyang know Lexan enough. Zin, as according to how me I get the information in my DM. A Faith make Shenyang know Lexan. But true she did want beat Lexan, she did want, you know? But Lexan did a whole lot. So Lexan got to Faith now and I tell Faith say, yo, me not really want Shenyang, you know, but here we go on. Me need piece of butter cause nothing now go on. So she said basically she go on like she into Shenyang now. Just to get some of Shenyang money. So she go in and allegedly she and Shenyang start do them thing. Zin? So so Lexan now become closer to Shenyang than Faith. So it causes a problem with the friendship. So it look like Faith now must did borrow a piece of money from Shenyang. So Shenyang starts tile it now and says she want her money. These are the allegations. Yeah. I remember me no know. Me not there Jamaica. Me no know them business. The business them just a flood me DM and me just a read. See?
Alright, viewers and subscribers, now imagine you lend somebody $300,000, you know, see, even though this is alleged, but you know, sometimes a little rumor, some part of the rumor true, so I kind of believe that story here. But anyway, imagine you lend somebody $300,000 and when you are call them now for your money, you can get it. So you give them adequate time for, you know, make back the money and give it to you. And you know you have people who love go around people, especially money. That's why you see money is a thing where it mash up a whole heap of friendship. You understand? And if you want you and your friend for remain friends, if them come ask you for borrow money, tell them no. Because you see when you lend them it and you forget it back, it's always a problem. And so the girl go around her and I saw the fight happen. Now, I don't know if them are going to press charge against Shensia, but I don't really know. I see a whole heap of people want Shensia to be arrested. On the ear footer hype say them no want them arrest Shensia and so forth. So we just have to watch and see the outcome on this. Now viewers and subscribers, what you would do if you lend somebody $300,000 and you not get no response from them when you call them and you bought them up at a party, you would go over there and fight them, or you would, you know, play it off like, you know, see them and just forget about the money. You don't know say $300,000 $1,000. Them money there and not just simple money for just lend somebody. So you have to rate the person for even lend them that. Cause right now, if somebody want 5 bills for borrow, you have a whole heap of people find it hard for even lend them, much less 300,000. Anyway, just leave in the comments and tell me what you would do if you did in a Shenseea place. Comment and make me know. And I really hope that thing can get resolved, but you don't know the girl face look away. And people, even Jada Kingdom did chime in on the whole Shenseea and her ex-best friend situation. Zine and Jada Kingdom say she easy for boost up. You can tell her anything and that run gone with it. And she also say somebody needs to retame her. If you weren't in the circle, then you will just never get it. It's way deeper than what y'all think. Trust me. Them hate when me start talk, cause me did tell them. And she also go on to say, well, if me have a best friend, we have 4 other real dear ones for years, and she and all of them fall out for foolishness, then why me I go stick around? Cause if me blink too fast, she I go say, me cut my eye. And she just need one of her yes man them for say yes are true. And I eat that. She also say, yo, me enough you know why? Cause me did tell you no, and I know it hurts now. But I effer uno. And she said good night, and then she said here comes my manager. So Jada Kingdom basically I say Shenseea easy for boost up any little thing she hear, she run down with it. And we know see you have them type of people that when I really question certain things. As you tell them something, them run down with it. So she and Jada Kingdom, which is Shenseea me I talk about, them no deal none at all. Them have a falling out over the same he says she say bull crap. You understand? Jada Kingdom did go live and address the situation, and this one me I talk about happened about I don't know, I think about a year ago or maybe 8-9 months ago. So I don't even think them even follow each other on Instagram. So I don't know if that's the reason why Jada Kingdom come out now and I say them thing. Like, when people and a friend, you go come out and kind of try to make that person look bad. So I just saw a thing go. Shenseea just have to be careful, and also Shenseea can't run with everything where people tell her. You understand what I say, viewers and subscribers? So anyway, viewers and subscribers, comment and make me know what you think about Spice, a class up our baby daddy, and also, his little interview with the star kind of shade Spice and make she look bad and stuff like that. Also, we're going to think about Buju Banton shelling down Summer Jam in Germany, despite the gay activists them did a plan for mess up the show. Just leave in the comments on these topics. Anyway, viewers and subscribers, have a blessed day. One love.